Hey, it's Amia Renee, and today I'm going to try a wash and go with using Wet Line Gel. So with this gel, I have used it for like to gel my ponytail down or put a little bit of gel in the end of my hair to keep my hair on the perm rod, but I never used it all the way throughout my hair for like wash and go. So I'm excited to see how this goes. I'm starting on freshly washed, conditioned, deep conditioned hair. The first product I'll be using is Giovanni Direct Leave-In Conditioner. In my spray bottle, I just have plain water. Okay, so now you can just watch me apply the products to my hair. I'm not going to do anything special. Just rake the product through with my finger. I'm not even really going to use a comb. No shingling method. Just simply raking the leave-in conditioner through, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the gel. Just trying to separate my curls with my fingers. That's it. That my hair has a little white residue, so I'm going to switch out the Giovanni's Direct Leave-In Conditioner for Moisture Miracle Coconut Milk and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. When my hair was completely dry, the side where I used Giovanni's Direct Leave-In Conditioner didn't have any white residue, so I could have actually kept using the Giovanni's leave-in conditioner, but I was too scared that I was going to have residue and I didn't want to take that chance. Now that I'm finished applying the Wet Line Gel to my hair, I'm going to let my hair air dry, and I'll be back. I don't want to diffuse it or set under the hooded dryer or anything. So right now my curls are popping. So cute. I love my curls. So I'll be back in a few hours to show you how my hair look. Hopefully completely dry. I'm back and my hair is probably about 80% dry. You can see it shrunk a lot. Just in the crown part, like in the middle and right here, my scalp is still wet. But the curls are popping. I don't want to separate it too much. So I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Right now I'm just grabbing my DIY hair growth oil. lightly pick because it's still wet a little bit at the roots in certain areas, so I don't want to mess with it too much. So as far as wet line, I think I like it. Again, my hair is not completely dry, and of course every day that goes by it gets bigger and bigger. It will get bigger and bigger. So for this to be first day hair, my hair still damp, I like it. I like the curl pattern. I never really wear my part down the middle, but I think I kind of like it right now. Guess I'll give it a try. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.